अभी आ रही है, अभी मैम आएगी ना बेटा। वो कैसे
Hi, good morning all of you.
Say good morning.
Good morning, Jasvi, Khelan, Hivang. Very good morning. How are you? Yes, how are you, Jasvi? Khelan,
Fine.
Hivang, how are you?
Say good morning. Good morning.
I'm fine.
Thank you.
Very good. Who has said that? Jasvi? Very nice. Very nice. So how are you, Khelan, Sianshi?
हाँ क्या है? हाँ ठीक है हाँ ठीक है।
Very good. Yes. Now, Jasvi, you need to mute yourself, बेटा. जब आप बात कर लेते हैं तो आप म्यूट पे चले जाइए, ठीक है? You can mute yourself. Very good, very good. Okay. So let's wait for just one more minute. ठीक है? आपके friends आ जाएं, then we will start with the prayer. Okay? Very good. Himang, good morning. Welcome to your class.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, बोलो बेटा.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Shall I start with the prayer? ठीक है, start करते हैं. Okay, everyone, you need to join your hands. हमें क्या करना है? We need to join the hands. Close your eyes. Yes, and we will start with the Gayatri mantra. Okay, let's start. Om Bhurbhuvaswah Tatsavitурvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम. Very nice. Very good. Now open your eyes, everyone. Yes. Now next we will do the second prayer. Thank you, God. Again, join your hands. Yes. Very good. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, that the birds are flying. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God. We should say thank you to God every day. हमें रोज God को thank you बोलना चाहिए, ठीक है? हमें रोज भगवान को thank you बोलना है. किस लिए? We eat food ना, हम बहुत अच्छा food खाते हैं, right? We see very beautiful creatures around us. हम देखते हैं रोज pigeon, right? हम बहुत सारे creatures देखते हैं अपने आसपास, animals and birds. Very good. Okay, so today we will start with one dance. किस baby को dance करना है? Who wants to dance with me?
किस baby को dance करते हैं?
Yes, oh, my baby loves to dance, right? Okay, now everyone, stand up everyone to the dance. I'll play the music and you have to do the dance. Okay? Okay.
ये तो प्लेस होता है कि?
Yes, you need to mute. Everyone needs to be on mute. नहीं तो आपको आवाज नहीं आएगी. ठीक है? Bus go round and round, round and round, Swish, swish, swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. All through the town. The signals on the bus go blink, blink, blink. Blink, blink, blink. Blink, blink, blink. The signals on the bus go blink, blink, blink. All through the town. The horns on the bus go beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. The horns on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All through the town. The motor on the bus goes vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. The motor on the bus goes vroom, vroom, vroom. All through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The ladies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The ladies on the bus go wah, 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 all through the town. The hotties on the bus go shh, 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 shh. Mommies on the bus go all through the town. The daddies on the bus go, I love you, I love you, I love you. The daddies on the bus go, I love you, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Very good. So enjoy it. Clapping for everyone. Very nice. Very nice, everybody. Everybody enjoyed? सबने enjoy किया dance? Yes, you can give me thumbs up. You can give me thumbs up. Very nice. Very good. Very good, everyone. Okay. So next, we are going to start with the activity sheet. मैम ने आपको भेजा था for the activity sheet. आपको एक activity sheet बनानी है. That is of alphabets. कल मैसेज आया होगा मम्मा के पास. Yes, you need to make. Very good, Jasvi. I can see the activity sheet in your hand. Very good. Khelan, Sianchi. Yes, please take out your sheet. Very good, Riyansh. Very nice. Amberpreet, Kushagra, I want to see your sheet. Very good. I can see Kushagra is having it. Very good. Anyone else? और किसके पास है एक्टिविटी शीट? सबके पास है? Everybody is having it. Very good. Very good. So today we are going to match the same alphabet. हमें जो alphabet दिया हुआ है starting में, we need to circle the same alphabet and we need to cross the wrong alphabet. ठीक है? अब मैम आपको एक्टिविटी शीट दिखाएंगी. Then you need to do it with ma'am. Okay? Done? मेरे सब बेबीज को मैम के साथ करना है. All of you, सबको दिख रही है एक्टिविटी शीट मैम की? Yes, give me thumbs up. मेरे सब बेबीज को शो हो रही है? Yes, very good. Okay, now take out any two crayons. कोई भी दो कलर के crayons ले लेंगे हम. कोई भी मेरे बेबीज के फेवरेट कलर्स ले लेंगे. Yes, okay. Now I have one green color and one brown color. For the same alphabet, I'll be circling with green color. ठीक है? अब now who will tell me the first alphabet? ये कौन सा alphabet है खेलन? खेलन, which alphabet is this? The first one. Recognize the alphabet. Unmute. A. The alphabet is A. Very nice. Can you see this alphabet is A? क्या ये A है? क्या आपको ये alphabet A दिख रहा है?
B.
B. So B है ना? It is B. So we need to cross the B. We need to
B को क्रॉस करना,
cross the B.
सर्कल नहीं करना, क्रॉस करना.
Right? We need to circle the same alphabet. हमें same alphabet से circle करना है. So we
Circle.
have to cross the alphabet B. अब
Okay.
next
B
alphabet
और
देखेंगे. Which alphabet is this? Jasvi?
just we which alphabet is this? जोर से बोलो.
E. Very nice. Is E is matching to alphabet A? क्या ये A से match कर रहा है?
जोर से बोलो.
No. So we again cross E. Right? Now Sianshi will tell me. Sianshi, क्या ये next alphabet A है? Is this matching with this alphabet?
दो alphabet.
Yes.
No.
So we
Yes.
need to circle this A.
सर्कल करो इसमें.
What we
Circle.
need to do? We need to circle this alphabet.
जो ए है उसको सर्कल करो.
Right? The next one. कौन बताएगा? हिमांग बताएंगे. हिमांग, is this matching? ये A और ये match कर रहे हैं.
ये क्लैपिंग.
This alphabet.
इसको नहीं करना. अब ये क्या है? बी बोल.
बोलना धीरे ना.
Yes, this is alphabet A. So we need to circle it again. Right? Right, everyone? Yes, very good, all my kids. Okay, let's see the next alphabet. The next alphabet, who will tell me? Sianshi will tell me. Sianshi, ये कौन सा alphabet है? Do you recognize this alphabet?
बी फॉर
B
बॉल.
for ball. Very nice. This is B for ball. Very good. So look at the another one. Is this alphabet B? क्या ये alphabet B है? No, this is D the dog. So we have to cross the D. Right? We have to cross the D. Very nice. Now look at the next one. Is this alphabet B? क्या ये alphabet B है? Look at it. Is this alphabet B? Who will tell me? Himang will tell me. Himang बताएंगे. Himang, is this alphabet B? Same match.
बोल B.
बोलो B. B.
Yes, this is alphabet B. Right?
B.
To circle it. हम क्या करेंगे? इसे circle कर देंगे. Because we need to circle the same and we need to cross the wrong. Right? Okay, look at the next one. Next alphabet आपको कौन सा दिख रहा है? This is P for parrot. Right? Is this match to alphabet B? नहीं, ये match नहीं कर रहा. Right? Right, Amberpreet? Is this alphabet B? ये alphabet B नहीं है. No. Cross it. Okay, now Amberpreet will tell me. Look at next alphabet, Amberpreet. Look at the next one. Is this alphabet B? Is this alphabet B, beta?
नाम से बताओ.
Yes. Are you
यस बी है ना. नाम से बता दो.
This
बी
is
है.
alphabet B. Circle the alphabet. Right? This is B. Very good. Okay, now next one is for Riyansh. Riyansh, which alphabet is this? रियांश ये कौन सा अल्फाबेट है?
सी बोलो।
This is
नहीं
C. This one.
सी
C for cat, right? So look at the next picture. आपको ये अल्फाबेट C दिख रहा है? Is this related to C? ये सेम अल्फाबेट है? Yes, this is same. सारे बेबीज को मैम के साथ करना है अपना एक्टिविटी शीट. You need to circle. So we need to circle the C. Right? Next alphabet is, this is कुशाग्र. ये कौन सा अल्फाबेट है? Is this matching to C? क्या ये मैच कर रहा है C से? कुशाग्र. बेटा प्लीज अनम्यूट. Okay. No, it is not matched with C. So we need to cross the O. This is O. O says orange, right? Okay, the next one. Look at this. Is this C? Jasvi, क्या ये C है? Is this C? Look at in your activity sheet and then tell me. आपकी एक्टिविटी शीट में this is C.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so we will circle this C. सियांशी
Yeah.
बताएंगी क्या ये C है?
इसके जैसा और देखो कौन से
Is this C, सियांशी?
ये
सी है नहीं?
व्हाट इज दिस?
ठीक है, जल्दी बताओ मैम को. मैम को पहले मैम को बताइए सी है. सी यस और नो. ये वाला
Look,
C
this
है?
is C. Yes.
बोलो.
Right? This is C. So we will circle this C. Right? Now the next one. Look at next picture. This is alphabet D. D says dog. D the dog. So now we have the next alphabet. Which alphabet is this? Is this related to D? क्या ये D जैसा दिख रहा है हमें अंबरप्रीत? क्या ये D जैसा दिख रहा है हमें? Look at this.
नाम को देखो ये.
This is
नहीं,
alphabet.
बताओ मैम को.
Is this
D
D
है?
or B? कौन सा अल्फाबेट दिख रहा है आपको ये? Which alphabet is this? Sorry. This one. Is this D or B?
बताओ मैम को ये D for dog है या B for
It's
ball है?
visible now.
Yes.
This is B. So we need to cross the B. Right? This is not related to D. Now the next one is D. So we will
D.
circle the D. जितने भी हमें इसमें D दिख रहे हैं, we need to circle the same. And we need to cross the wrong one. This is alphabet R. R, rabbit. Right? Very good, Kailan. I can see you have done the sheet. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, the next alphabet is E. Which alphabet is this? E, a egg. Right? So we can look at the next alphabet. This is also E. So we need to circle this E. Right? Now the next one is F. F for fish. तो ये E से मैच नहीं करता ना? So we need to cross the F. We need to cross the F. The next one is, who will tell me? Jasvi will tell me. Jasvi, is this alphabet E?
E.
Very good. So we will circle this E. Now the last one is for Kailan. Kailan, is this alphabet E? आपको दिख रहा है मैम का बोर्ड? Is this alphabet E? Yes. So we will circle this E. Right? So my all kids, you need to complete this activity sheet at your home. मेरे जिस बेबी ने ये शीट नहीं बनाई है, you need to do this at home. ठीक है? मम्मा के साथ, डैडी के साथ ये शीट करनी है. Okay, very good, Jasvi. I can see your sheet. Very nice work. Very good, Riyansh. वेरी गुड. और किस बेबी ने शीट कंप्लीट की है? सियांशी, हैव यू कंप्लीटेड इट? मैम के साथ कंप्लीट किया आपने?
जसवी को तो वेरी गुड बोल दिया.
वेरी गुड. Very nice. We have to circle the alphabet. Then we need to cross the wrong alphabet. हमें wrong alphabet को cross करना है, and we need to circle the same alphabet. ठीक है? Very good, कुशाग्र. Very nice. Very good. So मेरे सारे babies ने ये sheet की है. Amberpreet, you need to do it at home. ठीक है? Amberpreet ने भी करनी है sheet. Very good. Yes, very good. Very good, Khelan. Very nice. Okay. Now next, Prerna ma'am will take over the class. Yes, Prerna ma'am.
Yes, may I please see your sheets? Khilan, very beautifully you have done. Who else? Who else has completed? Oh, very good, Kushagra. Kushagra, आप तो बहुत जल्दी big boy हो रहे हो. Very good work. Very good. Yes, Riyansh, can I see your work? Very good, Siyanchi. Jasvi, आपकी sheet कहाँ है बेटा? Very good. So nice. Very good, Khilan. Yes, Amberpreet, where is your sheet?
मैम एक्चुअली अभी बनाई नहीं है, मैं आपको भेज
कोई
दूंगी.
बात नहीं. But Amberpreet, you need to work it, okay? ना मैम को. Yes, over to you.
Yes, Prerna ma'am, please take over the class.
I think some network issue is there. Just 1 second, ma'am.
Okay, everyone, till then, let's take out our notebooks. We will be doing 1 page of standing line and 1 page of sleeping line. Okay, let's take out our notebooks.
आपको पता है जब सारे बेबी स्टैंडिंग और स्लीपिंग की प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे तो वी विल राइट अवर फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट एल. फिर हम अपना फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट एल भी लिखेंगे. सबसे पहले अभी मम्मा क्या करेंगी? मम्मा और पापा विल हेल्प यू इन मेकिंग डॉट्स. ओके, एंड वी विल राइट स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड स्लीपिंग लाइन. I want to see everybody has taken out. Oh yes, I can see Riyansh. Riyansh, अपने माउथ से आप वायर निकालो बेटा.
Yes, so how to make standing line? Mama will make 2 dots and you need to join that dots. That is called standing line. Standing line कैसे होती है? जैसे हम stand होते हैं, खड़े होते हैं, right? This is called standing line. 1 dot at the top, 1 at the bottom, and we need to join the dots. Yes, this is called standing line.
Yes, मम्मा और पापा will make 2 dots and हमने क्या करना है? उनकी फ्रेंडशिप करानी है, उनकी लाइन. Yes, very good. I want to see your notebooks, how you are making the standing line. I want to see all my babies. Mama can focus camera on your notebook and you keep on writing standing line. Very good job, Jasvi. Very good holding you have. Very good, Riyansh. Very good. कुशाग्र, मैंने देखा था कल आपने बहुत ब्यूटीफुल वी बनाया था. गुड जॉब. Yes, Himank, can I see your work? 2 dots आप join कर रहे हो, 2 dots को? Yes, 2 dots and we have to join the 2 dots. Yes, very good, Himank. ये तो बहुत ही beautiful है. Very good. You have to complete one full page of standing line. Mama, बहुत सारे dots
Say,
लगा के
okay.
babies will
Okay.
write one full page. Good. Yes, very good, Amberpreet. कोई बेबी ऐसा तो नहीं है ना जो बोल रहा है मैं थक गया हूँ, मैं लिखूंगा नहीं, आई विल नॉट राइट, आई एम टायर्ड, ऐसा कोई बेबी है तो नहीं ना? सारे बहुत एक्टिव है ना, सब लिख रहे हैं ना फुल पेज? वेरी गुड शियांशी. Yes.
Now we need to make one page of sleeping line. How to make sleeping line? 1 dot and 2 dot. Mama will make 2 dots. Then we need to join the dots. That is called sleeping line.
Yes, very good, Khilan.
One more. Sleeping line. We need to join the dots. Yes, very good everyone. Have you done the page? मेरे बेबीज ने स्टैंडिंग और स्लीपिंग लाइन का पेज फिनिश कर लिया. They can show. Very good, Khilan. Very nice. Very good, Riyansh. Beautiful, bacha. Very good. I can see Sianchi is doing it. Yes, complete the page. Complete your work. Done? Have you finished? Yes, give me thumbs up. जिसका हो गया वो मुझे thumbs up दे दो. Okay, let's take one more minute. Yes, Prerna ma'am, please start with the next thing.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone. So, children, now you can close your notebook. Today, we will do one activity, recognition of F. Yesterday, we did F letter. F for fish, F for flower, F for frog, right? We did so many words with F. सो आज बच्चा हम F recognize करेंगे. I just request you, आप पहले मैम को देखेंगे और आप मम्मा को इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे देते हैं. वी नीड 1 ट्रे एंड सॉल्ट. आपको ट्रे में बेटा सॉल्ट डाल के रखना है. सो मम्मा को आप बोल दीजिए. आई होप मम्माज आर लिसनिंग. सो वी नीड 1 ट्रे विद salt like this. I'm showing you.
चेक करके देना ही नहीं कहा ना.
Like this, bacha. We need 1 tray with full of salt. If you have salt, it's good. अगर नहीं है बेटा तो आप शुगर भी ले सकते हो. Okay. So आपने क्या करना है? With your index finger, this is your index finger. हमारे 5 fingers होते हैं. So this is your thumb and this is your index finger. The second one. आपने इससे बेटा you have to make 1 standing line like this. देखो मैम ऐसे ड्रॉ कर रही है. 1 standing line and then आपने ये वाले पॉइंट से you have to make 1 sleeping line and आपने इसके सेंटर से इसके टमी से again 1 sleeping line. So you can see this is letter F. This is letter F. First 1 standing line, then from its upper point से आपने एक sleeping line बनानी है और उसके आपने tummy से another sleeping line. So can you see F letter? F letter. So बच्चा आपने ऐसे ही practice करनी है. Okay. So quickly tell your mom to bring 1 tray, or you can put salt in a plate also. और आपने उसको salt डालना है. ठीक है? So bring it fast. We will do practice of letter F with your index finger. हमें F
You
करना
can
है
take
practice.
atta tray also. If you are not taking salt tray, you can put atta or suji or anything.
Whatever is available बच्चा, whatever is available, आप उसको दोबारा से ऐसे hand से भी कर सकते हैं उसको. And then we can again practice letter F. Okay, so Khelan, Jasvi, mama को बोलो बेटा, Chianshi, bring a salt tray, आटा tray, कुछ भी जो available है बेटा आपके house में. So we again do practice. First with your index finger, make a standing line like this. Yes, Jasvi, I can see. Very good. And फिर आपने बेटा ऊपर से upper point से आपने यहाँ पर you have to make a sleeping line like this. And then from its center, you have to make another sleeping line. Yes. Very good, Jasvi. Yes, I can see Riyansh is also doing. Khushagru, very nice. Very good, Amberpreet. I can see, bacha. Very nice. So nice. All of you are doing it. Are you enjoying it? So, bacha, आपने सारे letters की आप ऐसे practice कर सकते हो. Whichever letter we have done in the class ना, A, B, C, D, E, F. So आपने ऐसे ही practice करनी है with your index finger. Yes, I can see all of you are doing great. Very good, Khilan. Riyansh is also doing very nice. Jasvi, Kushagra, Himang, Amber, Preet, Yuvyansh. Good, good, very good. So let's do it once more. आपने बेटा ऐसे salt को whatever you have उसको ऐसे आपने थोड़ा सा ना ऐसे plain कर देना है. To do it again and again. Okay. If you have a bigger plate, आप side पे भी कर सकते हैं. So again, let's try once more. F, standing line. then sleeping line, and then from its center again another sleeping line. So this is letter F.
Yes, very good, everyone. Okay, so today what we have done, क्या किया आज हमने? We have done the dance, wheels on the bus. Then we have done the recognition of A, B, C, D, E. We have circled the right one and we have crossed the wrong one, right? उसके बाद क्या किया हमने? We have done a standing and sleeping line page. हमने standing and sleeping line देखी, right? And the last but not the least, हमने ट्रेसिंग की एंड मेरे सारे बेबीज ट्रेसिंग कर रहे हैं. वेरी नाइस ऑल ऑफ यू, वेरी गुड. आई कैन सी एवरीबडी इज डूइंग द ट्रेसिंग वर्क वेरी नाइसली. जैसे मैम ने बोला, हम सारे अल्फाबेट्स की, जितने भी हम अल्फाबेट रिकॉग्नाइज कर रहे हैं या राइटिंग कर रहे हैं, we can take the plate, we can take the tray, put some आटा और salt, जो भी हमारे पास है, and we start tracing the alphabet, right? Very good. Very good. Okay. Now everyone, please put your plate aside and please stand up for the goodbye song. It's time to say goodbye. Yes, very good.
Shruti ma'am, volume is not coming. Yes, Shruti ma'am, volume is not coming.
Yes, Jaspreet, please stand up for the dance. Please stand up.
ये ये goodbye का song.
क्या बता कर लो अपने कर लो खड़े होकर कर लो पीछे देख लो खड़े होकर अपने पे कर लो अपने पे कर दो पीछे करो.
अब goodbye song.
क्या कर रही है
Yeah.